Hi guys, this is Yang and I'm back with another video. This time, this is not an airdrop tutorial, but we will talk about Dogs Community Airdrop. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga latest updates sa project na to. So, if you guys have or were able to join Dogs Community Airdrop, this might be a good news for you. I was just curious kasi nakita ko ang daming posts sa Facebook, sa Telegram, Twitter, at sobrang hype talaga siya. Kaya chinek ko yung Twitter nila at ang dami nga talagang um, ang daming good news. Ang dami nilang I think this is the next Notcoin if you remember that Tap Tap sa Telegram. So Dogs Community Airdrop is also a mining, but instead of doing it in the app, you will mine Dogs Community token through the Telegram bot. So um so na-hype siya at sobrang daming tao na nagsasabi na this might hit $1. So imaginin mo kung marami kang, kasi yung mga friends ko, ang dami nilang coins like 30,000, 50,000. So if this coin hit one, um, $1 per coin, sobra ang daming papaldo na ulit. So, ayan, check natin. Ito yung sa Twitter account ni Dogs Community. If you look at the followers, look at this, 3.4 million followers. Sobrang dami, as in, um, sobrang daming sobrang daming tao na ang nakakaalam tungkol sa project na to. So, it's possible na this might be the next Notcoin or yung mga previous na airdrops na ang daming pumaldo. So, ayan, check natin. Check natin yung latest na Twitter's update. So, ayan guys, oh. So, dogs will be listed on Bybit on August 20th. Yung yung mga naipon kasi na o yung mga nakuhang tokens dun sa airdrop, ibibigay nila yon. I mean na ano na siya na-distribute na sa mga participants. But sa August 20 kasi, yung malilist siya sa mga market. So, for example, ito, isang magandang exchange din. So, si Bybit will list dogs on August 20th. That means na kung meron kayong dogs community na token, you will be able to sell it or buy sa Bybit spot trading platform sa August 20. Ayan, so it's very important kasi na if you join the airdrop, mas maganda pag chine-check nyo rin yung mga updates sa social accounts nila kasi mahalaga na baka kasi may mamiss kayo mga update like need na pala nang ilagay yung address kung saan nila isend yung nakuha mong free tokens. Ayan, 'di ba? So, yan. Eto, so meron ng nakaabang na exchange. Next, ayan, so Dogs is coming to Wallet TG, sa Telegram naman to. So sa Telegram, yes, pwede rin mag-buy and sell ng Dogs token sa P2P market. Ayan. So it can be changed, it can be sell into USDT or after that you can convert into peso like that. So another listing is gonna be an OKEX. Ayan, OKEX. So OKEX will list dogs on August 20th. Ayan, so meron na silang dalawang exchange na nakaabang. That means marami talaga ang nag-aabang na sa dogs na token sa kasi OKEX kasi isang napakagandang exchange din eh. So for me mas maganda siya sa Bybit kasi mas maraming user yung OKEX at mas matagal na siya. Yun, so meron silang two exchange agad na nakaabang. Wow, tingnan nyo guys. Binance, if you've heard about Binance, isa ito sa number one. I mean, hindi lang isa, but siya yung number one na platform even sa Asia, di ba? So ito rin yung mostly na ginagamit ng mga Pinoy traders, yung Binance. So that means na since nag-tweet yung Binance kay Dogs, it will gain a lot of attention from Binance users as well. Ayan, so Binance alone have like more than 2 million traders. That means it's possible, guys. Kasi pag si Binance kasi known niya or kilala niya or for example like this, nag-tweet siya sa dogs community, sometimes hindi natin expected na it will be listed as well sa dogs. Maybe not this month, but maybe in the coming months, 'di ba? So, ayan, kung meron kayong dogs token na nakuha nyo sa airdrop, you have an options actually. You can either sell it or hold at hintayin yung tumaas siya. Kasi minsan kapag na-list yung token or kaka-list lang niya, mataas agad yung price. So, ang daming nagbebenta ng tokens nila and then bababa siya after a few months, tataas ulit. So, it's up to you kung i-hold nyo or i-sell nyo agad. That's your own money at free money nyo yan. So, you have an option. So, let's check naman yung Telegram account nila. So sa Twitter, they have 3.4 million followers. How about sa Telegram nila? If you look at this, they have 15.5 million subscribers. So sobrang, sobrang dami. So I'm excited and somehow nakakalungkot kasi um, I've heard about this 2 weeks ago. So, sobrang late na kaya hindi na masyado nakapag focus sa dogs community. So, maybe I can buy kung nasa spot na siya. If you guys have dogs community airdrop, hintayin nyo po yung sa August 20th. So, pwede kayong create ng account sa Bybit or OKEx para ma-sell nyo po yung dogs token nyo sa mga platform na to. So, ayan guys. So, it's just a short video actually at update sa dogs community. At I hope na mag-check kayo sa Telegram at sa mga updates nila sa Twitter, sa Telegram, ayan, para mas maabangan nyo or malaman nyo kung ano yung mga latest na announcements nila. So if you guys want more airdrop at na-late ka sa dogs community like me, you can subscribe in this channel para I will show you more airdrop tutorial. So marami tayong airdrop na um, makukuha. So I hope mag-subscribe kayo para I will show you as well kung paano gagawin yung mga airdrops na yon. So let's earn free money together with crypto airdrops. Bye-bye!